Embarrassed. Can you say Dada? Maddie, what's your puppy's name? Where's your puppy? Where's your puppy? What's his name? Where's Bailey? Where's Bailey?
Look.
Maddie,
Yeah.
what's your puppy's name? What's his name? What's his name? You say Bailey? Bailey?
Yeah.
Bailey? Bailey?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bailey. Dada and Bailey are at home. Can you say Dada? You say Dada? Where's Dada? Where's Dada?